Bringing home a golden doodle should be exciting and stress-free, not a financial burden. At Kids Best Doodle, we're making it easier than ever with Klarna financing, because happiness shouldn't have to wait. With Klarna, you can bring your puppy home today and pay over time, giving you the freedom to split payments into manageable installments. Instant approval. Get a real-time decision at checkout. Flexible payments. Choose between installments or monthly financing. No hidden fees. Klarna is safe, secure, and transparent. Our puppies come with vet checkups, first vaccines, microchipping, and pee-pad training, so they're ready for their forever home. The only upfront commitment is $300 and Klarna helps finance the rest. Ready to meet your new best friend? Click the link below to apply through Klarna and take home your perfect puppy today. Because happiness is just a paw print away.